In today's video, I am going to teach you how to start an Intercom AI chatbot. If you are setting up a chatbot for your Intercom workspace, this is the exact path you will follow. The goal is to deploy an AI agent, then set the audience filters so the chatbot appears for the right people. To begin, open Intercom and look at the left sidebar. In the menu, click Fin AI Agent. This is the area where your AI agent settings live, so selecting it first keeps everything organized and ensures you are working in the correct place. After you click it, you should see the configuration options and actions related to the Fin AI agent. Next, you will deploy the chatbot. From there, find the Deploy option and click it. Then choose Chat. Once you are on the chat deployment area, click Simple Deploy. This step matters because it starts the straightforward deployment flow, which is designed to get you running quickly without complicated setup. On screen, you should see a simple deployment interface or a prompt that prepares the agent for launch. After you initiate the simple deployment, you will define who the chatbot will target. Scroll through the configuration area until you see a section that mentions customers and includes the text Fin visitors, leads, and users. Click that part to expand your target filters. This is where you decide which types of customers should be included. Expanding the filter settings helps you view all the options clearly, so you can confirm the chatbot will show up for the correct segments. Now that the target filters are expanded, take a moment to review them carefully. You will be looking for the checkboxes or options under customers that correspond to Fin visitors, leads, and users. Make sure these are selected according to the audience you want. It is a good idea to pause here and confirm you are not missing any key category, because this controls who will interact with the chatbot. With your targeting set, you will move on to finalizing the deployment. Continue scrolling down toward the bottom of the page. As you approach the bottom, you may see additional controls or a summary of what will be deployed. This bottom area usually contains the key action button that activates the changes you configured. Once you reach the bottom of the page, look for the Save option. Click Save, or if you see a Live option instead, click Set Live. This final action is what completes the setup and makes your chatbot available based on the filters you selected. If the interface uses one button for saving versus going live, choose the one that matches your intention. Saving typically means you store your changes, while setting live means you are activating it for your chosen audience. After you click the appropriate button, give the page a moment to process. You should see confirmation that the deployment has been saved, or that the chatbot is now live. This short pause is normal because Intercom is applying the configuration and preparing the chat experience for the selected users. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.